You can choose from more than 800 preset label formats from different label manufacturers. You can preview the dimensions of labels and see how they fit on a printed page. If CorelDRAW does not provide a label style that meets your requirements, you can modify an existing style or create and save your own original style. To use a label style, click Layout, Page Size. Enable the Label Presets option. Double-click a manufacturer name from the list and then choose a label style. If you want to customize the label style, click Customize and adjust the label size, margins, gutters, and the number of labels appearing on each sheet. If you want to save the custom label style you created, click the Add button. In the Save Settings dialog box, type a name for the new label style in the Save As box. Note: you can't use label styles if a drawing contains multiple pages. To insert data into the label fields, start a print merge by selecting File, Print Merge. Import a data source and continue. Add and format data fields. Create a merged document. After merging, click on File, Print Preview. Click on the Imposition Layout Tool for a preview of the label sheet before printing. For more in-depth information on CorelDRAW's Print Merge function, check out our Print Merge tutorial video.